Om Namah Shivaya. My name is Anjaneya, and here's how to practice the crow posture. So if you're new to the crow, we call this the advanced low crow. This was taught to me by Arjuna Alfieri, and we call it advanced low crow because no one wants to do the low crow. But if it's advanced, well, then people want to try it. So here's a nice, easy way to start learning the crow. So we come into a squat, and we see we have these little divots here inside the knee, and our elbows make a bump. And if we have those two together, we can hold on to the elbows with those little holes in the knee. Now, as we get more comfortable in the crow, it can be really high up the arms, but to start, it helps to be very low to the ground. So we bend the elbows and keep the elbows very bent. So you're low to the ground, and we're just going to hug the elbows with the legs. So the elbows go right into that divot in the knees. Bring the chest down, so we're very low, and you lift one foot and very slowly the other. So nice and easy, low to the ground, and breathe and come down. And then as you get more comfortable in the crow, you can come bring the legs a little higher up. Again, taking your time, leaning forward, start with one foot, then the other, and breathe and release. So that's how you practice the advanced low crow. So good luck with the yoga practice. Some recommendations: either put like a comfy yoga mat in front of you because your forehead is probably going to say hello to the ground, or I highly recommend taking a trip to the beach in Mexico, something like that, where it's nice and soft and you can enjoy the practice. So good luck with the crow. Maybe put some photos in the comments if you can. Om Namah Shivaya.